Welcome back. There's a new platform on the block started by a local female entrepreneur that helps you find your hobby, find your people. Alex Frankel-Silverman is here to tell us about her business, Soularis. We're excited to have you, Alex. Good morning.
So much for having me.
Yeah, tell me about Soularis. This is your big dream. What's the idea here?
Yeah, so basically you have Uber for rides, you have Airbnb for stays, you have TaskRabbit for task, but there's no go-to place to find your hobby or interest, which is crazy that it's 2026 and it's so scattered. It takes forever to research.
And you know, you go back and forth and you try a little place out. Maybe you didn't like the vibe, you didn't like the people.
Yeah.
You have to go back to ground zero to try again.
Yeah, or you find a class that you really like and a studio that you like and they only offer that type of class.
Yeah.
And they don't offer like anything else. And so what's great is like we have creative arts, we have food and drink, we have fitness and wellness. So like you can find everything for group and for group privates.
And a big deal here, of course, is so many transplants in Austin. So
Yes.
a lot of people need to be introduced to to our city. Was that something you thought about when you were putting together this app?
Yes, my husband and I have moved like 7 times in
Wow.
like 7 years. And so something that I always think about is like it's hard to make friends as an adult. And, you know, we're getting to an age, so, at least I am, where it's like I don't want to go out and go drinking
don't worry.
all the time.
Me too, I'm there.
And it's like I want to meet friends like in a natural way where I can meet them by doing some kind of hobby that I like or an interest, mahjong or watercoloring. And so, yeah, I just felt like if I wanted this, probably a lot of other people did too.
I think you are filling a need. So let's talk about some of the activities that are available. You did just mention mahjong, so huge right now.
Yes.
And watercoloring, what a fun idea.
Yes, so I actually will be teaching both of these on Soularis.
No way.
Yes, so mahjong, I've already taught a couple mahjong classes on there. And so, yeah, we have watercoloring, we have tarot, we have pickleball, I mean, you name it, wine tasting, sushi making. Yeah, you can find anything on there.
I like that it's not just arts and crafts because I'm going to say it tends to go more
Yes.
of the ladies,
Yes.
right? Because we're more like girls who are looking for friends who are willing to do a quiet craft together. But the fact that you have pickleball as an option, these drink making classes, it's an opportunity for people to meet each other, maybe organically, which is so different.
Yes. And actually, it's so funny because we're finding that like guys want to be doing these things. They just don't know where to start. And so this kind of is like that gateway of like, no, it's not just arts and crafts. It's one of our guys is actually going to be doing a movie book club. So you watch a movie and then you talk about it like with other guys and like Fight Club and like other movies like that. And so, you know, this is like a way where, yeah, it's not just for women.
I like that. So who are you looking for to be the audience for this app? Is it people who are just new to the city or is it people who are trying to reacquaint themselves maybe?
It's anybody. I mean, this is something where like if you're looking for a hobby, if you are curious to like try something new, you are our target audience, sorry.
No, absolutely. How do we get started with the app?
So I've always been into hobbies. Ever since a bad breakup, I got super into hobbies. I was like, I'm not going to be a boring person anymore. And I was waiting for something like this to happen because I put a lot of research into it. And then my husband and I were living in Mexico for 6 weeks, and I had Montezuma's Revenge.
Oh, I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yes.
She wasn't feeling her best,
I was
everyone.
not feeling well at all. And it was about 4 a.m. and I had just quit my job in the music industry, and I was just trying to figure out like what I wanted to do next in life. And I was like, well, what do I love? Hobbies. What is a way that I can make money doing what I love? And this idea came to me with Montezuma's Revenge at 4 a.m.
I'm impressed that you were able to be that creative at that sort of time of day, feeling like that.
I was a little delusional at the moment, and it worked out.
But it worked out, and it's launched in the last couple of weeks. So tell me about how that's gone so far.
It's gone really, really well. Better than I expected, which I'm like super excited about. We have had so much engagement, like so much positivity from the community. We've already had a bunch of events. We've had a few classes sell out. And so, yeah, the city's shown up.
Oh, I like to hear that. And you are looking for people who can lead classes, right? Or people who just want to attend. So there are a couple of different groups of people you're looking for to join this platform.
Yes. So it's the same idea as kind of like Uber or Airbnb or something like TaskRabbit, like I mentioned earlier, where people can sign up to become a guide And what's great is they don't just have to teach one thing. Like Mahjong, I don't have to just teach Mahjong. I can teach watercoloring as well, or pickleball. I can teach anything I'm good at, and I don't have to be necessarily an expert like we call our instructors guides, because they're just guiding you through something new.
Okay, sounds good to me. It sounds like a lot of fun, and just real quickly, you've got something coming up, Sunset Hobby Club, that's going to be happening real shortly.
Yes, on the 22nd at 6:30 p.m. in Zilker. Bring a hobby, bring a friend, bring a blanket, bring a beverage, come join us and try something new.
You're going to meet some new friends as well. I think that's super awesome.
Yes.
We appreciate your time, Alex.
Thank you so much.
Search for hobbies, journeys, interests, a whole lot more at exploreSoularis.com.